Hello and welcome to A Minute with Kay. So we're still on this fool's journey, but we're doing the card to card this time. And the next card he comes to is the Empress. Now on my card, the Empress is dancing, but that doesn't follow on all tarot cards, but she is on my card. And the influence of the Empress is a mother. She will look after his needs. She will protect him. She will do everything that she can to keep that fool safe. So, is this the right point for him to meet that mother figure? Well, possibly, because when he went from card to a different card to a different card to a different card, he did get rather confused, and maybe he needs that nurturing, that love of a mother. Maybe he needs to learn to celebrate his failures as well as his successes. Maybe he needs to learn to trust himself.